welcome back to the computer class. In this class, we will learn chapter number 5th, Advanced Tools in TuxPaint. In previous class, we have learned about TuxPaint. In this class, we will learn more about TuxPaint and its tool. Let's see, we learn with practical.
Shapes tool. Shapes tool is used to draw various filled and unfilled polygonal shapes. The unique feature of this tool is rotation. We can also rotate the shapes by any angle on a 360-degree scale. Let's learn how to draw various shapes using this tool. Let's draw a square at various angles. Select the shape tools from the toolbox. Select square from the subtool box on the right hand side. You can either choose a blank square or a filled square. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Select a point on the drawing area which will act as the center of the square. Now click and drag the mouse. Choose the desired size and release left mouse button. When you have completed the square, now you can see a spun arrow on the drawing area which is used to spin the image at any angle from the center point. Try spinning the arrow in any direction to spin the square. Once you are done, click in the drawing area to see the final image. Let's draw 4 different square shapes at various angles. Select filled square, choose the color from the color palette, draw the square. There are 16 different shapes available in the subtool box of the shape tool. Eraser tool. The eraser tool is used to erase unwanted parts of the picture. It is very easy to use. Select the eraser tool from the toolbox. Select the desired shape of eraser from the subtool box. Bring the mouse pointer in the drawing area. Click the left mouse button and drag the eraser to the area. the area which you want to remove. After using eraser tool, area will remove. New tool. We cannot work in a single file forever. We always make different files for different drawings. Once you save your previous work, you can open a new file using the new tool from the toolbox. Let's learn how to create a new file. Click on New Tool in the toolbox. You will get color boxes and starter to start a new drawing. Click on the down arrow button. Select any color or any of the frame. Click on open button. Let's try our hand and select the green color box. After you click on open button, you will find a blank screen with a green drawing area. Now you can draw anything in the drawing area. Since your canvas is green, you must use light color like white, yellow, green or pink color. Drip magic. What happens when you sprinkle drops of water on a drawing made with a sketch pen or a letter which is written using ink pen? The ink colors will scatter and drip away like water. Similarly, this magic subtool gives a dripping effect to our drawing. Let's see how it works. Open a new file in TuxMent. Select the text tool and write the following text. Now select the magic tool and select drip effect from the subtool box. Drag the magic wand over the text. you can see how the text changes after the drip effect. Now we learn edges effect. Edges effect is a very unique feature in tux paint. We can differentiate the edges from an already drawn image. Let's see how it works. First, you select the new file. Click on the shape tool and select any filled shape from the subtool box. Select the magic tool and choose edges. From the subtool box, using your magic wand, click and drag it over the entire picture. You will observe that the edges of the shape start appearing. Let's see this effect to one of the stamp and observe the changes.
So children, I hope you understood this practical session very well. Do the practical 2-3 times. In next class, we will learn more tools of tux paint. Till then, bye bye.